Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video that covers what it is that people need to do between now and December 15th. So I've had a lot of people ask me what's required of them between now and then. There seems to be a lot of confusion. And so I just wanted to show you guys in the Karatbit back office what they say here. So they said that they delisted the KBC from trading pairs. And they said you have until the 15th of November to bring the KBC into Karatbit. Then it says the KBC to G999 exchange will stop on the 15th of December. This leads me to believe that we must have migrated our G999 over into gstrade between now and the 15th of December. So, whether or not you have any coupons in here, if it actually shuts down, actually fully expires, and Karatbit no longer works, it's hard to say. I mean, we'll just have to see. But you don't want to put this off. You might as well migrate your coins over. It's really easy to do. Now, before you can migrate your G999 over from here into gstrade, you have to complete up to gold status KYC on the gstrade platform. Let me repeat that. You can't just have bronze or silver. You have to have gold KYC status over on gstrade. The reason this is important, okay, as of this video being posted is December 2nd right now, okay, I can tell you it takes a couple days to get bronze, then it takes a couple days to get silver, and you guessed it, takes a couple of days to get gold. So you have to start this. If you don't have KYCs done over there, if you haven't signed up on gstrade, you need to start now. You need to get going, and every time you get an approval, do the next one. So one tip that I ran into when I was doing my silver status, I got declined because on my ID, it has my first name and it has my middle name and then it has my last name. And the field in gstrade, it only asks for first name and last name. It doesn't ask you for a middle name. If your middle name is somewhere on your ID, in the first name field, put your first and middle name. That will save you a couple days because I got declined on that and I had to go back and do it. So anyways, migrating the coins is actually really easy. So if you do have your gold status over there already, then the rest of this video is going to help you migrate them. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's what you do. You just click generate migration code, and then let's see. Yep, it's just telling you here's the formula. So your KBC balance. So I've only got 5,000, almost 5,100 in here, divided by 4. That's going to be the amount that I have left because the supply goes down by a division of 4. So it's going to generate a code. This is going to get me 1,274, the G999. This will use all your KBC. This action's irreversible. Sure, confirm. There we go. Let's see what happens. Almost done. Reloading values. And here we go. Now let's look at my codes. So we're going to click it. See, it went to 0 here. Now we're going to go to migration codes. And here's a migration code that I created. Haven't used it yet. I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to go into my gstrade platform. Now here, I'm just going to click on first your dashboard, and you're going to go down to wallet and balance and click over where it says import. Here, you want to make sure you've done your KYC first, and if you haven't, you need to do that, and then you just paste right here. Paste this plain text, submit, checking voucher. It's going to say, okay, so it's not just the bronze status. You actually have to do gold KYC to import it. That's fine. So I'm actually going to go through, update my KYCs, and the only difference is going to be it's going to tell me successfully converted. But I'll do a little update for you guys when that does it. So here we confirmed you actually have to have gold KYC status in order to actually do it. So if you haven't done gold KYC already, you want to go ahead and get that done. So I've got my gold KYCs done and completed. It looks slightly different than it did when I originally started making the video because that took a while to get completion. But now that it's done, it's the same exact concept. You just click into G999 voucher and you paste, your code into there, and then you submit. However, I want to show you guys one other thing that you may run into. If you did this incorrectly, like I did when you first set up your gstrade account, if you didn't use the same email with your Karatbit and your gstrade, this is what's going to happen. It's going to tell you it's an invalid code / email combination. So the migration code's tied to your email. And if your email is different, it doesn't like that. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to settings, and then you're going to have to click on change email. And then you type in the new email address, which is going to be your Karatbit email address. And then you're going to click next step, and they're going to send you a link that you click on so you can reset or so you can verify that in fact it's your email, and then they send you a link to your new email as well, and you click on that one. The problem I'm running into is I'm not getting the link. So hopefully that will be resolved soon, but that's what I'm running into as of December 2nd is I submit that this morning and I'm not getting the email at all. It's not hitting spam. It's not hitting anywhere else. So I'm going to reach out to gstrade in the Discord server that they've got just to see if people are finding a resolution to that or if they're working on it or whatnot. So hopefully you don't have to deal with this because you set up your Karatbit email and your gstrade is the same as your Karatbit one. But if you didn't, then this is one extra step and another reason why you don't want to put this off to the last minute, because you won't make the deadline if you push it off too long. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. I do run a cryptocurrency course. If that's something that you're interested in, I'll teach you everything from the basics of how to buy it, how to store it safely, all the way to more advanced, how to trade, how to read charts, how to find the trend, as advanced as you want to go. If you're looking to set up a G999 masternode, I walk every one of my students through that process. I'll hold your hand through it. We'll screen share, and you'll do that in a one-on-one session to get that set up properly. So if that's something that's interesting to you, then go ahead and send me an email to easycryptoeducation@gmail.com. I'm going to stick that email in the description of the video, and I'll get you set up on the course. So have a great day, everybody.